Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text bold and italic in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet, click on this number sheet and click on this number sheet column serial number and make this text bold and click on this format option and select cell option and here you will find this font style. This text font is regular. I'll make it bold and click here bold and see this. Also make this column text italic and click here remove regular and simply select here medium italic and see this. It's text now italic font. Also you can make a specific text bold and italic at a time and see this and bold and italic showing here and see this. Also you can make this raw text and make it only bold and italic. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.